Welcome to CA Performance Center installation video. Please read the installation guide, release notes, and visit CA support website to check the latest release of CA PC. Log on to the server as root or use the sudo account. Type the following command to change the U limit for the open files limit to this number. Change it to the directory where you extracted the contents of the installation package. Change the directory permissions. Check the file. Run the following command to begin the installation in console mode. Here we are uncompressing the Java package to begin installation. The menu to select the language of the installer will load in a moment. We choose English. This is to confirm the CA PC installation. Hit enter. You can hit enter to read the license agreement and hit Y to accept. Here we install CA PC in the default directory, so hit enter. Default directory for the MySQL database and for the MySQL temporary directory. Review the installation settings and confirm. The installation begins and it will take a couple of minutes to complete. This concludes the CA Performance Center installation video. Thank you.